I'm a big fan of cycling. I've loved riding my bike for as long as I can remember, and in the last few years I've also started to enjoy watching pro races, but I've never seen one in person. But this weekend I'm in luck. They're actually holding 2 pro races here in the province of Quebec. The first one's about 285 kilometers away in Quebec City, and then the second one is right here in Montreal. The plan's to ride my bike to Quebec City, watch the race there, and then as soon as it finishes, ride back to Montreal and catch the race that's going to be here. The only problem is that I've got class today until 4 p.m. and then the race starts tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. So there's really not a huge window to be cycling. 285 kilometers, that's probably going to take 14 hours. So it'll be an overnight ride. I'm looking forward to it. Alrighty, class is over. It is currently 4:21 p.m. I better get going. Alright, here we are. It is 7:15 p.m. The sun is just starting to set. Still a long way to go, so I better keep going. It's the start of the night shift. So I think I'm 143 kilometers in now, which means I should be halfway there. Quite exciting. It's about 1:30 in the morning and I just got sprayed by a skunk. I got close to it. It started running towards me for some reason. I slam on my brakes. I still kind of hit it and then it sprayed me. And now I smell really bad. At least while I'm riding I can't smell the skunk, so that's nice, but I just know as soon as I stop I'm gonna smell the stench. Oh yep, there it is. But in more exciting news, look at this. Quebec, 35 kilometers. Made it to Quebec. Let's go. Feels good to be here. I am quite tired though. It's been 26 hours since I've slept. So I'm gonna try and get a quick nap in before the race starts. I'm pumped. Tired but pumped.
A few moments later.
And then they brought Tadej Pogačar out on stage.
What a band!
Pogačar, for those of you who don't know, is a youngster from Slovenia who's already won the Tour de France twice. Yeah, I'm very, very excited to watch him race and really hoping he can get the win here. Come on, Tadej! Essentially how it works is they're going to be doing 16 laps of the same course. So my idea is that I started near the beginning and then each time they go by, I'll walk a little further along the course. So they just left for the start of their last lap. A lot of riders are looking like they're in quite a lot of pain. It is a tough course out there. I think a couple dozen have dropped out at this point. Anyway, I'm gonna head back to the finish line and catch the end of the race. I will see you there. No Pogacar win, unfortunately. I was hoping for that. He finished back in 24th. I think 8 seconds back on first place, which was Benoit Cosnefroy. I'm exhausted now, to be honest. I want to just take a nap right here, but there's more riding to be done. Into the ride now, feeling pretty damn good. I'm kind of tempted just to do another all-nighter, get back to Montreal as soon as possible, but I realize that that's a terrible idea, so I'm not going to do that, and I'm going to start looking for a spot to camp. Not a bad spot, honestly, for camping. Got this big tower, big open field, and then look at the view. Are you kidding me? Bike is locked up. Tent is set up. And my bed is set up. Which means that it's time for a well-deserved sleep. Here we are. Made it back all in one piece. That was actually quite fun. I hope I'm not hooked on the nighttime rides now. I do need my sleep, but we will see. Alright, it is the next morning. Race is in a little over an hour, so I should probably get going. Race number 2.
En 2013 à Montréal, non seulement à Québec en 2016 et 2017. Première ascension de Camille Hood en partant, juste pour se faire une petite mise en jambe. Merci de votre présence, de la chaleur que vous dégagez.
So here they come, here they come!
Oh, can you hear it? Let's go! It's actually a lot of fun to watch them riding a route that I've done many times before. I climb up this hill fairly often. It's about 2 kilometers and reasonably steep. But yeah, the speed that they're going at is just ridiculous. They're heading out for their last lap now. Pogacar is indeed in the breakaway, so it's going to be an exciting finish. He's looking hungry, he's looking good. There's going to be some tough competition though. Wout van Aert is in the break as well. Let's see what happens.
Alors qui s'occupe de la poursuite derrière celui-ci? Si on pouvait voir le groupe de chasse, on s'en ferait une bonne idée, mais ils ne le verra pas.
I'm feeling pretty happy right now. That was probably like the ideal weekend. Had a great time. Feel really lucky that I was able to see Pogacar win. That was definitely the cherry on top. And yeah, I'm hoping I can incorporate more little adventures like this into my daily life because it just makes things more interesting.